Morning.
Hello there. In today's video, we are going to learn a very basic yet a useful feature of Microsoft Word. Today, we are going to learn to create table of contents in Microsoft Word. A table of contents contains all important chapter names / section names of a book, which helps the reader to gain knowledge of what they will read inside the document. You can either create a plain table of contents, that is by writing out the names of stuff that is in your document, or create table of contents using the Microsoft Word's table of contents feature, where you will be creating clickable links to sections of your document where you can just click on to reach a particular section. Let us learn to create table of contents. Before we get started, I would just like to tell you that you can always contact me through my Instagram account, through the link in the description box, or on my email address, that is guidancefortheblind@gmail.com, all small letters and no spaces. And with that, let's get right into it. So I will now open a Word document.
Indian Judiciary Chapter. Indian Judiciary. Restore R. Indian Judiciary Chapter.
Now, for creating a table of contents in your document, what you need is heading levels. Heading levels in your document help to name sections and help screen readers efficiently navigate a document. I have explored the creation of heading levels in one of my previous videos, which I will link down below so you can watch how to create heading levels. Here I will show you that I in fact have heading levels in my document.
Page 3 Section 3 Heading Level 1 Bookmark 1. Introduction. Heading Level 2 Bookmark 1.1 Meaning of Judiciary. Heading Level 2 Bookmark 1.2 Importance of Judiciary and Democracy.
Now I can simply go to any blank place in my document where I want the table of contents to be created.
Page 1 a comprehensive, suitable for school guidance for the blind. Assistive 2025 Page 2 Section 2 blank.
This is the place where I want the table of contents to be added. What I will simply do is press Alt ST to add the table of contents, or I could press Alt arrow right to preferences and then tab to find the table of contents.
Ribbon tabs tab control. Stop share. Indian Judiciary Page 2 Section blank. Page 1 Section 1 2025 edition Page 2 Section 2 blank. No next separator. Ribbon tabs tab control Reference. More tables of contents from built-in grouping 1 of 2. Manual.
Now you have some options here which will help you to create table of contents, which are the by default table of content options of Microsoft Word. You can arrow down through these options.
More tables of contents from built-in grouping 1 of 2. Manual table not selected. Manual table of contents that you can fill out independently of the automatic table 2 not selected. Automatic table 1 not selected. Automatic table contents, labeled contents, that includes all text formatted with the heading 1 to 3 styles 1 of 3. Automatic table 2 not selected. Automatic table contents, labeled table of contents, that includes all text formatted with the heading 1 to 3 styles 2 of 3.
So it shows how, if I press enter on this, it will take all headings in my document that are from heading level 1 to heading level 3 and include those heading names and their the heading names and their associated clickable links in the index. So all headings from 1 to 3 will be added in the index part, that is the table of contents, and you can click on any of those to reach the sections. Now, in case if I do not want all 3 headings to be included in my document, for example, let's say that I only want headings at level 1 to be included in my table of contents, so I can customize that as well.
Manual table not selected. Manual table of contents that you can fill out independently of the document content 3 of 3.
I will press on manual table of contents.
Document print layout, blank. Ribbon tabs tab control expanded. References tab selected Alt. Built-in grouping 1 of automatic menu. More tables of contents from Office. Custom table of content.
Sorry, not manual table of contents. You have to click on custom table of contents.
Table of contents dialog general. Tab control table of contents. Print preview scroll bar 0 Alt plus V. Table of contents dialog general. Show page numbers checkbox checked Alt plus S.
So you can customize if you do not want to show page numbers, you can uncheck this checkbox.
Right align page numbers checkbox checked Alt plus R. Tab leader. Combo box. Alt plus B.
You can customize these
Web preview
options.
scroll bar 0 Alt plus W. Table of contents dialog general. Use hyperlinks instead of page numbers checkbox checked Alt plus A. Formats. Combo box from template Alt plus T. Show levels. Edit Alt plus L selected 3.
And here is one option of show levels. Show levels indicates the number of heading levels that will be included in your heading in your table of contents. So I could choose to only include heading level 1. So I will enter the number 1 in this.
Selection removed. 1. Show levels. Edit Alt plus L selected 1. Table of contents dialog general. Options. Button Alt plus O. Modify. Button Alt plus A. OK button.
And I will press enter after I am done customizing these options.
Indian Judiciary Chapter. Word. Document print layout. Blank. Link important keywords 20. Blank.
And let's check out our table of contents.
No previous heading. Page 1 sec. Indian Judiciary.
I can just press K to navigate by hyperlinks to go to the first link, that is the first section.
Page 2 section 2 1. Introduction 3 link.
Introduction 3, which shows introduction is on page 3. And I could just click on any of these links.
2 features of the Indian Judiciary 4 link.
Click on any of these links to reach the particular section.
Page 4 section 3 heading level 2 bookmark 2.1 Independent Judiciary. 2 heading level 1 bookmark 2. Features of the Indian Judiciary.
So as I clicked on the link, it navigated there and I can now down arrow to read through the document. Similarly, if in case I want to update the table of contents, I'll just press Alt SU to update the table of contents, where I can choose either to update the entire table, which would update all headings and page numbers, or choose to update only the page numbers. So in case if you haven't changed any headings and you only want to update the page numbers, then you can do that as well. So that is how you can create and manage your table of contents in
Stop share.
Microsoft Word. So that, guys, is it for today's video. Until next time, bye bye.
Hi everyone. If you like my video, so please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any doubt, then you can write it in the comments section down below. I will try to answer it soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.